What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix this app can't run on your PC. So this particular issue happens for many users when they're trying to download, or download is completely done when they're trying to launch particular app which says this app cannot run on a PC. This kind of two main reasons. One, the prospective app which you downloaded might be in older versions or it is not supporting on your Windows. So we just need to do some cross check. So first just go over here, search for over here for the system information. You have to click on the system configuration over here, and that will take you to this one, not this one, sorry. We just need to type system information and you have to click on this one. So right now if we cross check over here in the processor, if we go over here you can see the system type is x64 based processor, which means whatever the apps which I'm downloading, it should be supported to the x64, not x32 bit. It should be x64 bit. That's what we have to do as the first and foremost step. Next one, apart from this, is all about we have to move to the next one. That is all about we just need to go over here, search for the CMD, and you have to click at run as administrator and go for yes. Right now what we need to do is just type sfc and you have to put a space slash, you have to type scan now. That's all you have to type and you have to press enter. Right now this particular process is going to a little bit of time, so even though it's going to do a complete cross check on your system, and it is going to cross check every single thing on your system, and it is going to let you know that they are going through any kind of issue and all those things. So this is going to take a lot of time. So what I'm going to do, just let me skip this over here and let me move to the next step. Next step is all about what we need to do is if you're trying to launch a particular app. For example, I'm trying to launch the Discord. So Discord is having an issue. Then what I need to do is just select the respective app which you're trying to launch and go over here the show more options, go to the properties. Now from here we need to navigate to the compatibility. The first one is all about just click on run compatibility troubleshooter. It is actually a cross check which is done by, it is actually a tool that given by the Windows itself, which is going to do a cross check on the particular app, whether they're going through any kind of issue, any kind of files are corrupted, or if they're going through any kind of issue which is going to fix the issue up. So it is going to do a little bit of cross check from there, and once the end is successfully done, it is going to show you whether they're going to have any kind of issue. If that is the case, you need to uninstall it and you have to re-download it back, and once afterwards most probably that's going to help you guys out. Apart from this, it is done. Just click over here, you can see there is a possibility called compatibility mode. Just click on this one, and the first one is all about you have to try running it in Windows 8. Most probably running in Windows 8 is going to fix the issue, even though in some cases it won't. If that is the case, just change this to Windows 7. So you can either try on Windows 8 or you can try on Windows 8. That's what you have to do. And once it is done, you can set this to Windows 8, go for apply and go for OK. And once afterwards, you can move to the next step if you're still facing the issue. The next one is all about just go over here, search for the settings, and you have to navigate to the settings. From here, what we need to just go over here in the system, and if you scroll down, you can see you might be having an option over here right now called, most probably in some cases you'll be having an option called for developers. Right now you can see there is an option called developers. Right now over here this might be turned off. So if you turn this on, what happens is you can install any kind of app. Turning on developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store, could expose your devices and personal data to the security risk or harm your devices. So what it's going to do is, even if you download anything apart from the Microsoft Store, which I'm not recommending, they're gonna, even if they're going to have any kind of malware or anything, they're gonna definitely affect you. But even though in some cases turning on this is going to help you guys in order to download the install as well. So if it's not working, you can turn this on as well down the road, and that's what you have to do. And also make sure the Windows is up to date, which is very important. So if you're having any kind of pending updates and all those things, Windows can be up to date. So Windows should be on the latest version and just update your Windows. Moving to the next one is all about what we need to do. Apart from this, just go over here, change this one to user account. Over here you have to type change user account control. So just type change user account control settings, and just need to click on this one. And right now from here you have to change this to over here, change this to here. That's going to, in most cases, what we can bring this one to the lower over here and go for OK. And most probably after that the issue regarding this should be fixed in most cases. So these are the things what you need to do, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.